Okay, to solve this linear system, it'd be nice to first get rid of all those fractions, just see what we have then. So if I multiply both sides times 15 of this first equation, 3 will be cancelled out, and the 5 and the 15 will all be cancelled out. They all divide into 15. Similarly, we have to multiply times 10 on the second equation to cancel out all the denominators. So multiplying the first one times 15, 3 goes into 15 5 times, so we have 5x. 5 goes into 15 3 times. 3 times 2y is 6y. And here the 15 simply cancel, leaving 4 on the right side of the equal sign. Similarly, multiplying each of the terms in the second equation times 10, 2 goes into 10 5 times. 5 times 3x is 15x. 5 goes into 10 twice. 2 times y is 2y. And on the right side, 5 goes into 10 twice. 2 times 2 is 4. So now we can see that there's no fractions. We've just got rid of all those. Now let's think about how to most easily eliminate one of these variables. If I multiply the top equation times negative 3, that's one way to accomplish this. So let's do that. The top equation times negative 3. And we'll leave the second equation by itself. So 5x times negative 3 is negative 15x. Negative 6y times negative 3 is positive 18y's. And 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. So bringing this equation straight over, we have that. This one is 15x minus 2y equals 4. So now by adding these two equations, we can eliminate the x's. X's cancel. Got 18y's minus 2y's is 16y's. Negative 12 plus 4 is negative 8. And if we divide both sides now by 16, we get that y equals negative 8/16, which reduces to negative 1/2. So the y-coordinate of the intersection point is negative 1/2. To find the corresponding x-coordinate, we can go to any of the earlier equations that have x. And the easiest one is best. I like this one. So let's use this one along with now knowing that y is equal to negative 1/2, and we can find out what x is. So we have 5x minus 6 times y, but y is negative 1/2, we now know. Has to add up to 4. Now negative 6 times negative 1/2, a negative times a negative is a positive, and 1/2 of 6 is 3, so this is 5x plus 3 equals 4. And if I take away 3 from both sides, I end up with 5x equals 1. And dividing by 5 on both sides, we end up finding that x is equal to 1/5. Therefore, the point of intersection of these two lines of our linear system is the point 1/5, comma, negative 1/2. So there's the point of intersection, the solution to our linear system.